Yoga is practiced for general well-being according to an individual's physical condition and needs. If you are new to yoga, please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Oh, gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen the spine. Stretch your legs, feet, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Gently turning to one side. Come up to the cross-leg sitting position. For initial prayer, check your spine comfortably straight, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. 3 times Om, then initial prayer together. Inhale deeply. Om. गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्थजम्बोफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजं षडाननं कुङ्कुमरक्तवर्णं महामतिं दिव्यमयूरवाहनं रुद्रस्य सुनुं सूर्यसैन्यनाथं गोहं सदाहं शरणं प्रपद्ये या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युता शङ्करा प्रत्यभिर्देवैः सदा पूजिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा। ओम नमः शिवाय गुरुवे सच्चिदानंदमूर्तये निष्प्रपंचाय शांताय श्री शिवानंदाय ते नमः। श्री विष्णुदेवानंदाय ते नमः। ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम बोलो स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय। गुड मॉर्निंग यू ऑल। वेलकम यू in the beginners yoga class. Thank you. Let's begin our class with deep breathing. Deep breathing, long inhalation and very comfortable slow exhalation. When we breathe in, our abdomen will expand forward, and when we breathe out, our abdomen will come back to the spine comfortably. First, check the posture. back comfortably straight, shoulders are relaxed, hands are chin mudra on your knees. Inhale deeply, expand your abdomen. Exhale completely, release the air, and abdomen will back to the spine. Inhale 1, 2 means the time you will take for the inhaling. Exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4 means time which you take for the exhaling. Now inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax and comfortable breathing. Relax your spine. Relax your neck, the back of the neck. Relax the shoulders. Relax, comfortable breathing. Relax. Now we'll do the one round of Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, the forceful exhalation through the nose, and inhaling will come automatically when you release the breath after that. So inhale deeply. The movement will be just only of the abdomen, not the shoulders, no the changing of the face expression. Back comfortably straight. Now when I say 1, you have to exhale. When I have 2, then automatically the sign of inhalation. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Get ready. Inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now for the retention, inhale deeply and hold the breath for 20 seconds comfortably. Spine comfortably straight. Focus between the eyebrows. Exhale, release. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Spine comfortably stretched upward. Shoulders relaxed, relaxed breathing. Now, stretch your legs forward. Arms behind your back. Relaxed comfortably. Now, stretch the toes down. Feel the stretch into the calf muscles. Inhaling up. Stretch the toes upward. Exhaling down to the floor. Keep on stretching and breathing comfortably. Release and come up. Once again, down to the floor, down to the mat. Exhaling, release. Now stretch the toes sideways. Join the toes, feet. Stretch the toes sideways, together, sideways, together, sideways, together, in the center. Relax, comfortable breathing. Now we'll rotate the ankles first from the right side, clockwise. First to the right, Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. In the center. Now we'll rotate to the left, anti-clockwise. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. In the center. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Shake the legs, shake your feet, shake. Relaxed and comfortable breath. Exhale, release. Now join the soles of the feet. Hold the toes. Stretch your spine comfortably straight. Now flap the knees like the butterfly. Be the butterflies and flap your knees. Back comfortably straight, hands relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Exhaling, release. Again, sit into comfortable sitting position for Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Back straight. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra. In Vishnu Mudra, we fold the first two fingers down and place on the right knee, and left hand in Chin Mudra. Like this position, place on the left knee. First, relax and comfortable breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale. Exhale completely. Now place the right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe through left. 1, 2, 3. Now block the left nostril. Release through right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again block the right. Breathe through left on 1, 2, 3. Block the left. Release through right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, block the right. Breathe through left on 1, 2, 3. Block the left. Exhale through right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now release. This time block the left and inhale through right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the right. Exhale through left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Block the left. Inhale through right on 1, 2, 3. Block the right. Exhale through left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, block the left and inhale from right on 1, 2, 3. Block the right and go. Exhale from left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale, release. Now inhale through left on 1, 2, 3. Block the nostrils and hold the breath. Exhale from right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale from right. 1, 2, 3. Block the nostrils, hold the breath. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, block the nostrils, and this is our last round. Exhale right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath, last retention. Exhale left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop the right hand on the right knee. Keep your eyes closed. Relaxed and comfortable breathing. Draw your mind inward. Enjoy the energy of the pranayama, of the stretching. Enjoy the internal peace. Keep on breathing comfortably. Spine comfortably straight and relaxed. Oh, now stretch your legs forward and lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms, eyes closed. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Oh. Gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your legs, feet, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Gently turning to one side. Come up to the standing position for sun salutation. Come up on the top of the mat. Feet slightly apart. Palms facing forward. Relax and comfortable breath. Feel the weight balanced on the both feet. Spine comfortably straight. Shoulders relaxed. Very relaxed and comfortable breathing. Now get ready for the first round. Feet comfortably together. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Hands, arms stacked upward. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat. Look towards your toes. Chest to the thighs. Keep on pressing your palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Look up, arch back. Keep on pressing the left knee, left calves on the mat. Retain, stretch the left leg back. Feet are together, legs are together. Shoulders, hands are under the shoulders. Push-up position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, come forward, head up, chest up, arch back. Keep on looking up. Legs, feet are comfortably together. Feet are stretching out. Exhale, heels on the mat. Look to the toes. Feel the stretch into your calves muscles. Relaxed breathing. Now inhaling, first drop the left knee down and right foot forward. Right foot between your hands. Keep on looking up, arching back. Push your left thigh on the mat. Exhale, right foot forward, feet are together, palms are on the mat. Hips stretching upward, chest to the thighs. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. Arms are comfortably down. For the left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Stay there, breathing comfortably. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right, from the left, stretch. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat, feet together, chest to the thighs. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Keep on stretching your left leg back, looking up. Retain the breath. Right leg also back, body in a push position. Head, hips, heels are in a straight line. Exhaling, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come forward and arch back, look up. Look to the ceiling. Legs, feet are together. Exhale, inverted V. Touch the toes. Heels stretching down. Now inhaling, right knee down and left foot forward. Look up, arch back. Exhaling, right foot forward, feet are together, palms are on the mat. Looking to the toes. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. For the second round, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up, look up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Palms on the mat with the feet. Inhale, stretch the right leg back, look up, arch back. Retain the breath. Left leg also back, push-up position. Weight on your hands and on the toes. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come forward, head up, chest up, look up, arch back. Exhale, hips down, the inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhale, first left knee down. Place the right foot between your hands. Look up, arch back. Left thigh on the mat. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together, palms are on the mat. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. Now for the left stretch. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Stretch your right hand, stretch your left hand. Exhale, bend forward and down. Look to the toes. Inhale, stretch the left leg back, look up, arch back. Retain the breath. Right leg back, feet are together, look forward. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, come forward and up. Arch back. Legs, feet together. Elbows to the ribs. Exhaling. Knees down. Inverted V position. Inhaling. Right knee down. And left foot forward. Look up. Arch back. Keep on pushing your right thigh on the mat. Exhale. Right foot forward. Feet are together. Palms are on the mat. Inhale. Stretch your arms up. Exhaling. Release. Feet apart. Relaxed, comfortable breath. First of all, slow down your breath. Very relaxed and comfortable breathing. Shoulders, spine, comfortably relaxed. Now join your feet. Stretch your arms forward. Come up on the toes. Very slowly, comfortably. Exhaling, come down, down, down. And lie down on your back. Legs apart, arms apart. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Relax your shoulders. Relax the spine. Relax the legs. Relax your feet. Relax. Relax. Comfortably. Legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch the toes down. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Release your arms. Now get ready for the single and double leg raising. Palms, arms beside the body. Now bend your knees. Inhale, stretch your right leg up, straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, stretch the left leg up. Exhaling down. Inhale, stretch the right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch the left leg up. Exhaling down. Inhale, stretch the right leg up. Hold the right thigh. Interlock the fingers. Keep on stretching your right leg towards your face. Exhaling down. Now hold the right knee. Hold it tightly to the chest. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, release your hands. Lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Now with the left leg, inhale. Lift your left leg up. Hold your left leg from the thighs. Keep on stretching your left leg towards your face. Exhaling, left knee down and hold the left knee. Bend it toward the chest. Keep on pressing the left knee to the chest. Exhaling, release your hands. Inhaling, lift your left leg up. Exhaling comfortably down. Get ready for the double leg raising. Arms beside the body or under your neck, interlocking the fingers wherever you feel comfortable. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, legs up. Exhaling down. Inhale, both legs up. Exhaling down. Release your hands. Now bend your knees and hold your both knees by wrapping your arms around the knees. Press your knees. Press your both knees towards the chest. Inhale, head up, chest up. Exhale, head down, chest down. Release your arms and lift your both legs straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Now bend your knees and separate them to the mat width apart. Now right knee to the left ankle. Right knee up and left knee down to the right ankle. Now keep on doing fastly and enjoying. You can place your arms sideways also. Keep on changing your legs. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Exhale, release. Now arms beside the body. We'll do the cycling. Fast, slow, then fast, fast, fast. Now change. Upper side. Exhaling, release. Again, lift your knees up, hold the thighs, and we'll rock forward and back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, in the center. Again, holding the knees, bend to the right, bend to the left, right, left, right, left, right, left, in the center. Inhale, lift your both legs up. Exhaling down, legs are together. Get ready for the bridge pose. Bend your knees. Palms on the mat. Inhale, lift your hips, chest up. Keep on breathing comfortably. Exhaling, hips, chest down. Once again, inhaling up. Relax, comfortable breathing. Now interlock the fingers and stretch your arms down. Pressing your feet, lifting your hips, chest up, and keep on pressing stretching your arms down. Relax, comfortable breath. Exhaling, release. Now get ready for the fish pose. Legs, feet are together. Arms underneath your hips. Legs, feet together. Elbows touching each other. Inhale. Lift the head up, chest up. Come up on your elbows. Look towards your toes. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, drop the crown of the head on the mat. Looking back, weight on your elbows. To release the pose, head up, chest up. Look towards the toes. Exhaling, release. Release your hands. Release the arms. Make the fists. Rotate them. By changing the side, stretch your fingers. Drop them down. Legs apart. Arms apart. Palms facing upward. Relax your breath. Relax in Shavasana. Relax and comfortable breathing. Relax the mind. Relax. Oh, gently legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up the head. Stretch your toes down. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhaling, release. Now turning to one side. Come up to the sitting position. Stretch your arms forward. Stretch the toe, fingers down. Stretch the fingers up, fingers down. Fingers up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now make the fists. Rotate them down, downward, upward. Release. Now fingers on the shoulder. Fingers forward. On the shoulders, forward. Now on the shoulders, sideways. On the shoulders, sideways. Shoulders, sideways. On the shoulders, lift your arms up. On the shoulders, stretch your arms up. On the shoulders, stretch your arms up. Now on the shoulders, join the elbows and make big, big circle. Release the tension of the shoulder or the back of the neck. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Exhaling, release. Now hands on the knees. Rotate the shoulder. Exhaling, release. Stretch your legs forward and separate your legs, separate the feet. Now stretch your arms sideways. Bring your right hand to the left toe and left arm behind your back, resting on the back, looking forward. Spine comfortably straight, stretching forward. Face with a gentle smile. Coming up, release the pose and stretch your arms sideways. This time, left hand on the right toe and right arm behind your back and stretch your spine forward, look forward. Relaxed, comfortable breath. While exhaling, stretch your spine forward. To release the pose, release your hand. Again, stretch your arms sideways. Exhaling, bend forward and hold your toes. Spine comfortably stretching forward, look forward. No tension on your face. Face is comfortably relaxed with a gentle smile. Looking forward. Exhaling, release. Join the feet, palms behind your back. Inhale, come up, hips, chest up, drop your head back, look back. Exhaling, release. Now lie down on your chest. Legs, feet are together. Now hands, make this position, elbows touching upward and hands position. Place the chin, cheeks on the palm. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Now inhaling, bend your right knee, bring it toward the right hip. Exhaling down. Inhale, bend your left knee, left foot to the left hip. Exhaling down, right foot to the right hip. Exhaling down, left foot to the left hip. Exhaling down. Now, if possible, bring your both feet to the both hips. Exhaling down, inhaling up, exhaling down. Relax in Makarasana, pillows the hands, look to the left, relax breathing. Exhaling, release, forehead on the mat, feet together, hold the ankles, right ankle with the right hand, left ankle with the left hand. Inhale, head up, chest up, look up, arch back. Exhaling, release, forehead on the mat. Now inhaling, lift your hips, knees up. Keep on stretching your knees up. Exhaling, release. Again, head up, chest up, look up to the ceiling. Exhaling down, head, forehead down. Inhale, knees and thighs up. Keep on pulling your knees, thighs up. Exhaling, release. Release your hands, release your arms. Palms underneath the shoulders. Head up, chest up, come up on your fours. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Relax breathing. Now exhaling, chest down. Chin down to the chest, looking to the knees. Inhaling up to the ceiling, arching your back. Exhaling, rounding your back, look to the knees. Inhaling, look up to the ceiling. Exhaling, release. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Now for the half spinal twist, right hand on the left knee, rotate your left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your left hand behind your back and look back over the left shoulder. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, release your left hand. Now left hand on the right knee, rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place the right hand behind your back, look back. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Feel the twist into your spine. Exhaling, release. Come up to the standing position. Let's do walk. First, comfortable breath. Comfortable walking. Make it fast. Exhaling, release. Come up on the top of the mat. Feet apart. Stretch your arms up. Stretch from the right, from the left. Stretch. Exhaling, bend forward and hold the toes. Hands on the toes. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhaling, release. Hands on your back. Arch yourself back. Looking back. Stretch your hips forward. Exhale, release. Now, feet apart. 3-4 feet apart. Right foot to the right side. Left slightly inside. Stretch your arms sideways. Lift your left hand up. Stretch your left hand, arm up. Exhaling, bend to the left armpit. Keep on stretching your left arm to the right. Inhaling up. This time, left foot to the left side, right slightly inside. Stretch your arm sideways. Lift your right arm up. Left hand down. Now, bend to the left. Keep on stretching your right arm to the left. Left hand arm is comfortably relaxing on the left knee or the calf. Inhale, come up. Comfortably join your feet. Come up on the top of the mat. Come up on the toes. Stretch your arms forward. Slowly, gently come down. And lie down on your back. Relaxing Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart. Eyes closed. Slow down your breath. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Now for the physical relaxation, lift your hands, legs, feet up, head up, chest up. Come up on your spine. Stretch feet, Stretch the arms, hands, stretch, stretch, stretch. A full stretch. Exhaling, drop. Now inhaling, lift your hips up. Exhaling, down, drop. Push your lower back on the mat. Push it tightly. Push. Exhaling, release. Inhale, lift your chest up. Up, up, up. Exhaling, down. Inhale, lift your shoulders to the ears. Shoulders towards the feet. Exhaling, down. Bend your head to the right. Head to the left. Once again to the right. To the left. In the center. Relaxed breathing. Legs apart, arms apart. Comfortably. Relaxed breathing. Start relaxing all your body parts. Feel in your mind my feet are relaxed. Calves, knees, hips and thighs are relaxed. My spine, my back, comfortably relaxed. My hands, arms, shoulders, relaxed. All my internal organs, comfortably relaxed. Facial muscles are relaxed. Head, mind, brain is relaxed. I am a complete healthy person with no tensions, with no worries. I am completely blessed. Relax, comfortable breathing. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Body still, mind still. Om, om, om in your mind. Relax, relax, relax. Oh. Gently legs and feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your legs, feet down. Stretch your arms, hands upward. Stretch. Feel a complete stretch to the body. Stretch. Exhale, release. Arms down. Now comfortably turning to one side. Come up. Cross leg sitting position or the concluding prayer. Back comfortably straight. Shoulders relaxed. Hands in chin mudra on your knees. 3 times Om. Then the final prayer together. Om. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिर्बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षयेमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिर्बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षयेमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिर्बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षयेमामृतात्। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेव महाराज की जय। ओम नमः शिवाय।